Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about what I think is one of the absolute coolest products out there today. Definitely an excellent gift. If you're looking for a gift for the person who has everything, if they don't already have this, they will love it. Or if you're looking for a really cool gift for yourself from Santa, get it for yourself. What is this? Basically, when you fly, you have headphones, and you have to have an auxiliary wire that goes from your headphones to plug in to watch movies or TV and stuff on the plane's little infotainment system. And your wireless earbuds like AirPods, you can't even use those because you don't have a way to plug those in. This solves that problem. This is from a company called 12 South. It's the AirFly. Now, they have three different versions of this: the SE, the Duo, and the Pro. The SE is the baseline model. That's what I have here. They also have the Duo and the Pro, which adds additional features. But honestly, for most people, I think the SE is going to work just fine, and it's very affordable, which makes it a really awesome gift that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. And what does this do? You just take this, plug it into that auxiliary jack and on the plane, and this transmits the sound through Bluetooth. So now you can listen to those videos, those movies, TV shows on the airplane just using your AirPods or Samsung Galaxy earbuds, basically any wireless Bluetooth earbuds or any headphones. So you can use your traditional headphones, your noise canceling headphones, but you don't have to use the wire. You can do it just wirelessly with Bluetooth, and that's great. It is such a much better experience when you don't have to deal with that wire. If you get up to go to the bathroom, you got to unplug the wire and stuff. When you're using this, you don't. You just get them and go to the bathroom. Leave your earbuds in, leave your headphones on. There's no wire. So really, really excellent product. Just a couple of features I just want to highlight while I'm talking about it. So you know it does charge using a USB-C, and it charges. This one, the SE, will last for 20 plus hours on a single charge. So I used it going to Spain. It lasted the whole time. No issues at all. So plenty of time for all your trips. It has its own separate independent volume control, which is great. I love that they have that to help with the volume. You've got your on-off button and a reset button. So in case you have maybe multiple headphones, earbuds, and it keeps reconnecting to the earbuds, but you're trying to use the headphones now, you can reset it and then connect it to the headphones. Pairing is fairly simple. You just have to follow the instructions of your earbuds or headphones as far as putting it in pairing mode, and then follow the instructions that come with this. Really easy though, not difficult at all. I love it. It's just this tiny little simple product that does an amazingly awesome thing and solves a problem that maybe you didn't know you had. But if you've ever flown, I'm sure you've experienced the annoyance of having to plug in with a long cord in order to watch movies on the plane. And with this, you no longer have to do that. It does also have a very flexible cord, so once you plug this in, like if you get up and you hit it, it's not going to pull it out. It's flexible. You can just knock it, no big deal at all. So tiny device that works great and is really, like I said, if you're looking for the gift for someone who has everything or not, but as long as they don't already have one of these, get it for them. They will love it, and the next time they fly, they will call you and they will be like, this really is the best gift I've ever gotten. Again, it's the 12 South AirFly Bluetooth transmitter. This is the SE version. There's also the Pro and the Duo. You can take a look at those and see the additional features those have if you're looking for something that has those additional features. But for most people, I think the SE is going to be just fine. It works great. Definitely a product that I would highly recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below, and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.